In this video, we're going to address adding static products. Static products can be entered by selecting Pricing, Static Item Pricing. This admin is for easy and quick entry of static products. Static products are sign accessories, pre-made signs, or other items you might not produce in-house or items you would acquire from an outside vendor. Category 1, 2, and 3 or the organizational aspects of your entries. Start with the broadest category and end with a more specific category. Select New for each category entry. For example, Category 1, Mounting Hardware. It's a broad, general category. Select OK. Category 2, Banner Mounting. We start to get more specific by selecting a certain type of mounting. Category 3, Banner Rails. A specific product or a very specific group of products. Tags. These are the adjectives given to these products, which will later assist you in generating your static pages. Can include size and descriptions. Separate with commas and use hyphens for descriptions that include more than one word. For example, 28, aluminum, banner rail. Name. This is the name that will appear on your static product pages. They are the names used to market your products. For example, we will call this 28-inch hanging snapper rail. ID. The ID field after the entry of the static product and the static product is saved, an ID number will be automatically generated. It will not populate even if you visit this product after it has been saved, but will show on your product listing page and then can be typed into this field to pull up your particular product's information, and I'll demonstrate that at the end of this video. Search by vendor. This field allows you to select a specified vendor and generate a list of all products you purchase from that vendor. This field is ideal for editing products as vendors change prices, discontinue products, or need to cross-reference products. Product. Select New for new entries. As you create your entries, the name will populate in this field. Vendor. Here you can select the vendors that supply your products. These vendors are populated from your database entries and will not populate if you have not created a vendor database. For example, we get banner rails from American Traffic. We would select that vendor for this particular product. Request label. This field allows you to select a variety of options that will be auto-tagged to this product entry, allowing you to generate a list of items that can be ordered, cut, drop shipped, and etc. For instance, we'll call this frames. Description. This is where you enter the description of the product you are offering. Detailed information about the product, specs, colors, options, and etc. HTML is suggested here to create an eye-catching product information listing. You can continue with as much description as you feel fit for each particular static product. Options. When a product is available in different options, say color or finish, it is populated here in this field. This entry will only work when the price for each option is the same. If the price changes for each option, then a new entry must be created. Here you can enter your color selection, followed by the vertical line, then the first option. In this banner rail case, black, and then additional options are separated by a comma. Line text. This field is for personalization of products, for example, address signs or even name tags. For this example, this field is not needed, but I will explain how to use it. Simply enter line 1, followed by the vertical line. The number 1, the first number denotes the minimum number of characters for this personalization, followed by the vertical line. The second number is the maximum number of characters for the personalization, followed by the vertical line. Required, followed by the vertical line, insists that this static product be personalized before being added to your customer's cart. As I said, this particular product does not need line text or personalization, so it's not needed. SKU or part number. List the item number or SKU number from your vendor. This will assist in easy ordering as you populate your static product request labels. Priced as. Here you decide how you're going to sell the static product, whether it be individually, as a pair, as a set. In this case, we're selling these banner rolls as a set. Price. Enter the retail price you want to advertise the static product at on your website. Notes. This field allows you to enter notes about this specific static product, whether that be hole placement, special ordering instructions, or when you last updated this product's information. For example, we can say here in the note field, this set includes both rails. Cost. This is your cost, what you pay the vendor for this product. Weight. Enter the weight of this static product. This will help you if you have an automatic shipping calculator that formulates the price of shipping based on the weight of an object. Minimum. If you have a minimum that you wish to set the static product at, enter it here. Image path. This field is the path or link to where you store the image for this static product. The check button allows you to make sure that the image is being generated for the static product. When all the fields When the required fields are selected and entered, and they are denoted with the asterisk, hit save. This will now save this static product. You can now scroll back up, select the View button, and this will generate your static product page. Here you can check your image, the name of your product, the description that you gave it, additional bullet points or specs, double check your color selection. You can see here the cost, the retail cost. We've denoted this to be a set, the quantity. Some additional features. After all your static products are entered, you can select desired categories and click search. This will generate all the products listed in these categories. For instance, if we select mounting hardware, banner mounting, and then banner rail and hit search, if we go down to the product field, it will list all our banner rails. the tag field, enter a description you listed in your tag list and click Search. This will generate a list of products with the same tag adjectives. You would also view those by selecting the product field. Name. Enter the exact name of a particular product you are searching for and click Search. It will pull up that information. ID. From your static product page, find the ID number given to that product and enter it here. Click Search and that product's information is generated. For example, if we go back to this page, we see that our ID number is listed here. If we enter that number here and click Search, going down to the product, it generates the information for that hanging rail. Searching by vendor. From your vendor list, you can select a particular chosen vendor. By hitting Search, it will generate all the products that you order from that vendor. That's how you enter static products.